What's up, everybody? Stock price predictions and crazy news stories here. I want to talk to you guys about Dogecoin, crypto, Bitcoin, AMC, all the stocks right now, why they're down. Also, I have a crazy story for you guys. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can see these videos first. Also, I'm giving a PS5 away. So all you gotta do is subscribe, and one of my lucky subscribers will win the PS5. Also, I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything that I say with a grain of salt and do your own research when investing. Now, I have a crazy story about an older gentleman locked up in prison, and we will get into that. But first, I want to let you guys know what's going on with the stock market and why there was such a huge crash this morning in the last couple of days. So, in the last couple of days, we've had some crazy things going on in Afghanistan. When things like that happen, there's always going to be a crash in the stock market, okay? So when we had that huge catalyst in Afghanistan, stock market will crash. It always happens. Happens 100% of the time. So don't worry, don't freak out. That's just what happens. When crazy things like that happen, the stock market will crash. So that's what's been going on these last couple of days. Now, we are starting to recover from that catalyst, from that bad catalyst. As you can see, the index funds are all up. They're all climbing upwards. The growth stocks are climbing upwards. Even crypto is starting to turn around. So with that being said, we are starting to recover. Okay, AMC is not doing too great today. That is because the hedge funds are pumping up crypto right now. Soon they will dump it and start buying back into AMC. But tomorrow for AMC, expect a red day because the hedge funds never want the money options to expire in the call options. So with that being said, Fridays are usually red days. Look at Bitcoin over there. So just be expected for that tomorrow. Okay, Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin to stay above 43,000. That's a key level support for Bitcoin is 43,000. Let's hope it can stay there. We should start getting a bullish run, a bigger run, starting tomorrow and through the weekend. Crypto is still in a bullish signals. Okay. I did my research. I looked at the charts. Crypto is still having a bullish run. There's nothing to worry about. Let's just keep and hope Bitcoin's can stay over 43,000. So that first catalyst in Afghanistan, that was one reason the stock market's been down. Another reason is the CPI report we got last week. Okay, the CPI report didn't go up much from the report before that. It just kind of leveled out. So with that being said, it's still scaring people with money invested into the stock market because the CPI report did not go down. It stayed at a level. It's about the same level. But next month is going to be huge because they're predicting the CPI report to go down. Inflation is very high right now. Okay, so with inflation being very high, and what is happening in Afghanistan, the stock market is going to fall. But you know what to do when the stock market falls? We buy. Okay? We buy and hold because eventually you zoom out and it'll always come back. So the two huge catalysts for the stock market being down is Afghanistan and inflation. So we got to pray that the inflation goes down next month, or we'll see another big drop into the stock market, okay? Don't forget to subscribe for your chance to win a PS5. We hold AMC, we go to the moon. We hold Dogecoin, we go to the moon. We hold that subscribe button down, we have a chance to win a PS5. Look at that. Look at the crypto signals. Stay over 43,000. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Dogecoin, let's get up. But when they start to dump, AMC's taking off. So just remember that. Okay? Let's get into this crazy story that I have. Crazy story. Crazy news story. Got all the details on it. 65-year-old man named Curtis. Locked up in prison. Been locked up since he was 20 years old. He's been in prison for 45 years. Had a trouble with a group of guys. Younger guys. Back in the day, Curtis was the man. He could fight, beat up anyone on a one-on-one. Wasn't scared of nothing. Curtis still thought he could do that. The young guys seen Curtis. Curtis just got moved into this dorm. It's a new dorm. The young guys wanted to take advantage of him by robbing him. See, the younger guys in prison, they don't care if you're old. They don't care about anything. If you look vulnerable, they're going to rob you. So what happened, Curtis came into the dorm as a new guy. He just got shipped. Young guys see him as a target. Actually, it was a gang. I'm not going to say what gang it was. It was one of the most popular gangs in the United States. Actually has more members than any other gang. They targeted this man in prison. Okay, they went in there and they robbed him while he was in the chow hall. The guys went in there, robbed his cell, took everything he had. They didn't care he was 65 years old. They seen what they wanted, they took it. When Curtis came back from chow, he noticed his stuff gone. He went out in the day room and he called everyone out. And when he did that, he said, whoever took my stuff, I want to fight. I'm going to beat the crap out of whoever took my stuff. So he was calling them out. What he didn't realize is who took it was a gang. Next day he went to chow. They robbed him again. Took all his stuff again. Curtis came back from the chow hall, eating lunch, called him out again. Next day they didn't rob Curtis. They let him be. Didn't rob him. The next day they went in there, jumped him, beat him up bad. It's a sad story, he didn't survive from these injuries. The guys never got caught. Old man Curtis did 45 years in the pen. Got shipped to a new dorm. Thought he could handle it like he used to, but he couldn't. Back in the day, yeah, Curtis would have whooped them all. That was back before there were gangs. You could get a one-on-one. Now when you have a problem with one person in a gang, you gotta deal with all of them. You know, he's not what he used to be. Prison's not what it used to be. A lot more gangs in there now. Curtis thought he was still 25 years old. Thought he could hang with them. There were just too many of them. They didn't care how old he was. Hope y'all enjoyed that story. Hit that subscribe button for your chance to win a PS5. We know the stock market's down now due to inflation, the CPI report. Also Afghanistan. Bitcoin needs to hold over 43,000. Key level support looks like it will. Dogecoin, let's go. Let's hit that 50-cent mark. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research when investing. Hope y'all have a great day. I'll be back later with another video.